Good morning, internet. So here we are, waiting for Vanida. She's late this morning. She sleeps, waiting for her bag and for her, so we can go. Yeah. It's 8 o'clock this morning, so we are kind of late, but I guess she did not wake up early, no? Alright, okay, let's just wait for Vanida to come. Okay. Finally, Vanida's coming. Good morning.
This is the light term or late term?
Give me that back.
Good morning.
How did you sleep?
Too much excited. Cannot sleep too good.
You're excited for what? For going to Malaysia? Ready then, she's excited to go to Malaysia. Okay guys, before I leave, because yesterday I did not show you, so this is the sticker that they put you. They put one in the front, so this is the translation of the license plate, and PKK is the province, and then they put you another here in the back like that, and that's it, and then you have your paperwork. All right, okay, I'll see you after. So guys, we are at the border here, and this is a Thai passport, Al passport, and okay guy, we passed Thailand. Sawadee krap. You found them? Kada.
You have to come out from the bike because you have to.
Motorcycle. Okay, and here is. Now we just look what they do, and we do the same.
Thank you.
You got the passport? Okay, don't lose them. We're gonna stop now after here. We are in Malaysia.
We are in Malaysia.
Welcome to Malaysia. Okay. Okay? Thank you. We're gonna find the first gas station that we find, and we're gonna stop there. I have a full tank of gas, so we don't need gas, but we need SIM card. Aha, here it is. Can you park here? SIM card here. Okay, so you have your SIM card. I have my SIM card. Now you're happy you are in Malaysia. All right, okay, guys. We did everything. The only that we need to do is change a little bit money. Vanida need to change money. I told her yesterday to change. She did not change, and now we need to find a place where to change here. All right, guys, and we are on our way to Kuala Perils. And then from there, we're gonna take a ferry to go to Langkawi, our first destination in Malaysia. Yay! So this is Kuala Perlis. So let me see where we're going. Ferry ke Langkawi. Yeah, the ferry is here. Uy.
I think so.
Huh?
What is it? Noise.
The boat.
The boat?
Yeah. That's the horn.
Oh, damn. That is a big boat.
That's,
Really? Then we have to buy the...
I don't know. Yellow one. Yeah, here by this. And well, we can stop here. Hello. I don't know.
Here we are. Wonderfully. Go to Langkawi.
Beautiful car. All right, okay, guys. And here we are in Langkawi, the beautiful Langkawi. And now we are going to the resort. We need a shower. It's already 4 o'clock in the afternoon. They are 1 hour ahead here. So, and then we need to go look for food because we have no eat today at all since this morning when we left Thailand. So shower and go eat something, go have lunch, dinner together. But look at this beautiful place. This is just beautiful, amazing. Look. Oh, this is beautiful. This island looks already beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at this island. It looks like it wants to rain, but it's just gorgeous here. Look at this. Alright, we are almost at the hotel. 5 minutes away. And the more we go here this way, the more looks like we're going in the rain. No, maybe it's not going to rain. Maybe we're lucky. Oh, reception. Okay, get out. Come on, we're gonna get wet. Don't worry about it. Woo. Ah, just now. Hello. Sorry, is this the reception from the hotel? Yeah. This is up. So guys, just checked in here, but look at this. Look at this weather. We just arrived and it started pouring like crazy. Like crazy pouring. Anyway, we are going to wait for the water, and as soon as it finishes raining, we're gonna go because I believe it's just a passing cloud, how you see, and the storm gonna be going very soon. All right, okay? I will see you when I get in my room. Hey, Vanita, say hi. How was your trip? You lucky you don't get wet, huh? I know. All right, okay. So guys, just arrived. This is the resort where we are. This is all houses going down. Each is his own cabin. Like always, I will put you the price. Here's a nice little porch here. Nice table with 2 chairs. So looks very nice. It's a shame that just came a big thunderstorm. It's like, but should go very quickly. Anyway, this is. Let me show you now the room inside. Here we go in, and it's very, very beautiful, how you can see. This is a big bed that we have. Let me see. I just come in, so I have no idea how you turn on this light. Let me see here. No, that's the light outside. This is the light here. You have this nice little couch. Okay, now look how beautiful is this. Look how beautiful is this. Looks very beautiful. So this is the big room. Oh, it's a big bed. Then we have a nice desk here with a TV. I have already all my stuff here, but I just come in just to show you the room right away. So we get this out of the way. So we have this nice couch, and then here is the closet, and we have a refrigerator that we need to turn on because they keep them off. No, it's on. Okay. And this is the toilet. So shower, water heater, toilet. How you can see, very nice. Look at my face. Oh, it rained. I got wet coming here, unloading my bike. Let's see the power of the water. Oh, yes. Yes, it has some nice power. So, small sink, but okay. Like always, I will put you the price underneath. And this is a window that we have here, but it doesn't look nowhere, to be honest. Just to the other. So, yeah, very nice. I think it's very nice. I like it. So, I will put you the price, and then let's see where we're going to go tonight. If it stops raining, we're going to go out because we have to eat too. All right, okay. See you later then. All right, okay. So, this is an add-on. So, what to tell you? I think it was a good ride. It was not too far, really, but the ferry to Langkawi, I don't know that it was so long. It lasted, I think, like around 3 hours, 3.5 hours. So it was a long ride with the ferry. At the border, everything was very easy and straightforward, no problem at all. Not in Thailand, not in Malaysia side. In Thailand, no line, no nothing. We really went in and out very quick. So that was very good. And then the ride, I taped a little bit here, a little bit there, not really so much. And then we had this beautiful entrance in the island of Langkawi. I mean, that was just majestic. When I went on the deck of the boat and I saw that, I did the video. I hope it's gonna come good. But it was just majestic, going through all this island in with the ferry. It was just beautiful, just one of its kind. So guys, I hope you like this video. I hope if you like, push the thumb up, and if you would like, you can subscribe, and you're gonna help me too. All right, okay, bye, see you. Hello guys, so here we are tonight. I just ate a cheeseburger and I had a Kronenburg. After a long time, I drink a Kronenburg tonight. And Vanida is here. Say hi. And here we have a friend. What's your name?
Erwin.
Erwin.
Yeah.
And where are you from?
I'm from Malaysia.
Malaysia. Where?
Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah.
And you're driving a bike, right? I saw you today. I meet you today in the ferry, coming here to Langkawi, and you have a big bike.
Big heavy bike.
Big heavy bike. So how is driving that bike? What bike is? Tell everybody what bike you have.
I ride a Harley, Street Glide 2017. It's my second Harley. I've been riding Harley since 1994. In fact, that's the only brand that I know of, and that's the only brand that I'm comfortable riding with. So I decided to take a trip to Langkawi with my second son, Enzo. Say hello. So, and along the way, I met Nico on the ferry. Because before getting onto the ferry, he seemed very confused.
I was very confused actually.
So yeah,
It's a little bit more harder here than in Thailand. In
Yes,
Thailand,
yes.
it's very straight. You
very
just go,
straightforward.
you pay the ticket and then you go
Correct.
in. Here
Yes.
you go in and say, okay, where I got to pay a tip? What is the to pay?
That's how they make money. But anyway, I'm glad that you are here in Langkawi, and I wish you a safe journey. I
Thank
know
you.
that you are heading off to a few other places.
Many places.
Many places
I know.
in Malaysia.
Yes.
And also, I think there will be a few places that you'll be going that will be very interesting.
Yes.
I hope you enjoy it. And maybe hopefully we'll catch up when you are in KL.
Yes.
Yeah.
And tell me something. What do you have to say to our audience? What's about the Harley? Is it a good bike to drive to go around the world or no?
I think, to be honest with you, riding a Harley, it's either you like it or you hate it.
You like it or you hate it?
I think for me, I love it. I mean, I'm willing to take the risk to ride around the world with a Harley because that's the only bike that I know, and I'm very comfortable with it. Although I think it may not be the most suitable bike, but I've seen people doing it on a Harley, including the Sportsters and the Knuckleheads, Shovelheads. So I think why not? And just waiting for the time when I do have time to actually do the trip. But Thailand, Laos, Singapore, I mean, I've done it
It's good.
quite many times, and I enjoy it. I like to ride with my children, so yeah. So riding in Europe, riding in South America, like what you want to do, that would be one of my bucket lists.
That was me on the bucket list, right? Go to South America.
Yep.
The
From one
Carretera
end-
Australes.
Correct.
But
But I'll probably avoid Venezuela because I've been hearing a lot of stories about Venezuela. I've had friends who've ridden through Venezuela and they've had, I mean, there's been mixed reviews about.
well, if you want to do the Pan American, you don't need to go to Venezuela. You go to
Correct.
Colombia, and from Colombia you go to Panama, right?
Correct.
You ship. So you go to Venezuela if you actually want to go to
In
Venezuela.
fact, I was also informed that from Colombia, most people what they do is they will pick a ferry and bypass certain parts of Colombia and
Well,
continue their journey.
you don't have ferry now. What you have is small tailboat, and you can put your bike on
Correct.
top
Yeah.
and risk and go. If it's not too heavy, but if it's your Harley, I don't think they're
I
gonna
don't
take.
know.
I don't think they're gonna take him.
Yeah.
All right, okay. Thank you, Dan.
Thank you.
And thank you for showing me this place tonight.
My pleasure.
And let's talk a little bit more out of the camera.
Yeah.
Guys, here you can see they are playing fire. Exactly like in where? Aonang and Koh Samet and many other places in Thailand. All right, okay. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys. See you. Oh, finished.